Hey everyone, today I am reviewing this automatic bubble machine. Thank you to the brand for sending me this product. This bubble blower is designed with 10 large holes and 2 LED lights, creating gorgeous and colorful bubbles and make any setting feel magical. Plus, you can adjust the angle up to 45 degree to customize the bubble flow for different scenes. You can power it up using USB charging or 4ASI's battery, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor fun. And with its built-in handle, it's super easy to carry. Take it to the park, beach, birthday parties, or anywhere. This set comes with bubble concentrate, a USB charging cable, colorful bubble vents, and a small funnel, giving you more ways to play. Overall, this automatic bubble machine is a fun, easy to use, and a portable way to make any event more exciting. Yes, I highly recommend this bubble machine.